belongs to everyone, college girls, youngsters, working women, and all ones needs casual wears, right? So friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today, I'm going to show you the weekend varieties from the Western wear segment. So all these varieties, Manufactures Kesaria giving you with starting price only 99 rupees. Either you want casuals like t-shirts, crop tops, one piece, two-piece concepts, three-piece concept, all you can purchase at factory price. Watch this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates, keep watching, and you can easily purchase by Pan India online purchase 24/7 like video calling purchase also you can do it. You can contact our online team and you can explore your business with new collections. You can tie up and you can start your clothing business only with the Manufacturers, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can visit our shop. From airport, from railway station, you can visit, and even we do have executives to pick up and drop you. So let's have a samples, have a look, and take a screenshot and contact for hurry up for these collections. So first pattern, such a beautiful variety of the crop top, which is a word printed, the dark maroon color with the white color combination. In this crop tops, all the sizes are free sizes, which will be a very free sizes like the stretchable. And in this, you have a color options also. So like this, we have a fancy tops also like t-shirts. If I talk about this fabric, it's a stretchable fabric. So fabric is like this, which is an onion color with the lace you highlighted, and in this you have a digital printed cartoon print with the round neck pattern. In this you have a colors as well as sizes. All these varieties you can purchase at factory price. When we go to showroom and when we go to the market to purchase these varieties, it will be according to the retail price, right? So resellers, if you want new collections, you want to explore your business, you can add some collections of Western wear. White base with the digital printed full sleeves. This is one of the pattern, and a semi V-neck pattern. This is also round neck pattern of the semi collar. The buttons beads has been given. In this you have a lining also. In this you can purchase. These are all just I have showed you the t-shirts, fancy tops. Now I am going to show you the one piece concept. Let's have a one piece concept look. This is also one of the top on the jeans, like you need some fancy and stylish. This is a broad hands, which is elastic, which is white placed on the fabric, has given here. This is also, but it gives a fancy like butterfly sleeves, no, puffy type. In that pattern, we have a different material, and this is a georgette paste with the purple color printed, leaf printed with the white color. These all varieties are the fancy tops. Let's have a look of the one piece concept like discos, parties, evening parties, night parties, college people get together, working women on the Saturday, Fridays who wants the collections. I'll just show you the disco parties for the college girls when this varieties of greyish color with a black color combination. See, such a beautiful, the pearl has been given here, which it's an ornament which is given where you can have just directly you can put, okay. It's a jacket. In this you have a pads also given, which is a removable. You can remove if you need it. And this is a jacket, okay. And here you can put a knot. So these are all the one piece sleeves concept. Even we do have a casual and only printed, very simple and classy, but I need two piece. I have one more option. This comes like this with the creamish color, and here the back part, it will become like this as a many thin sleeves. In this you have a jacket, okay. This is a jacket. I'll just show you. Yeah, this is, it comes like this. This is also a two-piece concept. If I talk about one piece concept of the long sleeves with the one more creamish color with the blue color combination on the rangoli print pattern, which is a box cut neck pattern. Box cut neck pattern, simple and sober. 3/4 size will be, it's not long. As every 3/4s are very casual, every college girls, everyone, working women, they also prefer these varieties. Even South is also demand for the Western wear collections. You can have a one more, the top, which is in the shirt pattern, which is a mini print of the wine color. With this, you have a with white color based. With the lining, you can see the white color has been given. It's not transparent. So all these collections are exclusive. No need to worry about the quality or quantity. All are manufactured with the quantity, with the quality, sizes from small XL, M, L, triple XL, 4XL. All the varieties manufacturers is only giving and exploring to many cities, many countries are buying and coming and going. You can also visit, purchase. So one more, the black one. In this you have a black printed with the beads work on the beads with the collar pattern. And there's a knot over here. Yeah, this one. So every one piece having a different unique pattern and varieties. If I talk about a manufacturer when just you have a look at over there, the bulk collections which as customer has ordered, this is already going to make a parcel. It's been ordered from online only for the Western wear showroom for the shop. You can also have these varieties or depend on your city, depend on your location where the people are moving or wearing most like traditional or saris or kurtis or chudidar. According to that, you can have some quantity of the collections of the segment and you can run your business. Then you will get a idea which collections are moving, which collections are non-moving. So, and if I talk about the last pattern of variety, the long gown pattern with the two-piece concept of mini print. This is a gown pattern. See, black pearls which has been highlighted on the neck pattern and the sleeves has been like given the umbrella cut and the sleeves which is designered with the white thread and here is a stretchable. It comes on the hip. So this will give you a designer stylish look and here is this is the lining part. So it's not transparent. If I talk about the fabrics, we have a crepe, we have a cotton, we have a banyan cotton, we have a georgette, we have a chiffon, we have a synthetic, we have a poly cotton. So friends, these are all Western varieties. Kesaria manufacturers giving you from 99 to 1300 to 1800 exclusive collections. So no doubt. So let me know at the comment box from which city you're watching the video. For this collections, you can contact our online team. You can purchase easily from 24/7 video calling purchase. Also, there's a team to contact you through WhatsApp and the video call, voice call. So I end up this video and hope you enjoyed these collections of the Western wear. Everyone was asking and looking for the Western wear collections. So I have done the video. Hopefully, so next video I'll contact with many more business informations with product collections. Keep supporting me or share the link with everyone. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon for the regular updates. Next video I'll meet up you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.